What if building a house felt less like construction and more like putting together a perfectly engineered system? At our open day, visitors didn't just watch. They became builders. From the very first element, they discovered how different construction can be when every block is manufactured with exceptional dimensional accuracy. Each element fits precisely into the next. Click after click. No guessing, no corrections. Just a perfect fit. Within minutes, complete wall sections began to rise, perfectly straight, accurate 90-degree corners, built without mortar, without glue, without waiting for materials to dry. Every connection is guided by the interlocking geometry of the system 3E elements, allowing anyone to experience how intuitive modern construction can be. Precision is what makes the speed possible. The dry wall assembly method removes one of the biggest limitations of traditional construction. There are no technological breaks caused by curing mortar. No waiting before continuing the next stage. Walls can be assembled continuously, making the entire process up to 3 times faster than conventional masonry. But speed is only part of the story. Each project is digitally prepared before production begins. Every element is manufactured specifically for its exact location within the building. The precise number of blocks arrives on site, together with clear assembly instructions generated directly from the project. No cutting to make elements fit, no unnecessary waste, no piles of discarded material, and no need for heavy construction equipment, just organized, efficient construction from the first element to the last. Thanks to the outstanding thermal insulation properties of the Perlite elements, the walls do not require additional external thermal insulation. A single-layer wall. Seeing is one thing. Building it yourself is something completely different. That's what Open Day is all about, not simply presenting a new building technology, but giving people the opportunity to experience how construction can become faster, cleaner, more precise, and remarkably straightforward. This is not just another way to build. It's a different way to think about building. Welcome to System 3E.